Best board accessories. Choosing the best hoverboard accessories can enhance your riding experience. Accessories can provide safety, style, and convenience. Helmets and knee pads offer protection. LED lights help with visibility at night. Carrying bags make transport easy. Bluetooth speakers add music to your ride. Vivor seat. Transform your hoverboard into a thrilling ride with the Vivor hoverboard seat attachment. LED lights add excitement to any adventure. Suitable for hoverboard size 6.5 inch to 10 inch, it fits most models. Kids and adults can enjoy a smooth experience with adjustable grips and frame. Sturdy design supports up to 220 pounds, ensuring safety and fun for everyone. Advantages: experience enhanced stability with Vivor's hoverboard seat attachment. Adjustable frame fits various hoverboard sizes seamlessly. LED lights offer visibility and fun for kids and adults. Grips control ensures smooth maneuvering and easy handling. Supports up to 220 pounds for safe rides. List hoverboard seat. Hoverboard seat. Transform your hoverboard into a thrilling go-kart with our versatile hoverboard seat. Compatible with balanced scooters of 6.5 to 10 inches, it suits various models perfectly. The telescopic frame adjusts from 70 to 93 centimeters, ensuring comfort for both kids and adults. Designed to handle up to 75 kilograms, it offers reliable strength and stability. Ideal for family fun. The hoverboard seat. Accessories bring joy to everyone. Enjoy the ride. Advantages: transforms a hoverboard into a fun go-kart experience. Easy and exciting. Adjustable frame suits both kids and adults. Perfect for family fun. Compatible with various hoverboard sizes. Versatile and convenient. Supports up to 75 kilograms. Safe and sturdy for riders. Enhances balance and coordination skills. Great for developing motor skills.